updating your billing profile on Hemlane is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your billing information is current. Step 1. Log in. Access your Hemlane account by entering your username and password on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to billing settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Edit billing information. In the billing section, you will see your current billing details. Click on the Edit button to modify your payment method, billing address, or any other relevant information. Step 4. Save changes. After making the necessary updates, ensure you click the Save button to apply the changes to your billing profile. Step 5. Confirm updates. To verify that your changes have been saved correctly, refresh the page or log out and log back in to check your billing information. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing profile up to date on Hemlane. Regular updates help ensure smooth transactions and uninterrupted service.